Welcome to the course YouTube Live Streaming as a Marketing Strategy. My name is Dejan, and in this course you will learn how to start and scale a YouTube channel even if you don't have no subs, no ideas for videos and no experience at all with the power of live streaming. We will describe the complete process of broadcasting live video content via YouTube, and I will show you some examples of how you can use YouTube live streaming as well as how to promote your YouTube live stream. I will also show you tips to succeed with YouTube Live and show you some free software you can use for live streaming, and we will go in step by step so you can start live streaming today. Because this is such a new business opportunity, those who start fast and act fast will reap the benefits of it. As they say, you want to be first in your market. When you are with a crowd, you're already too late. So this is your chance to be one of the first people in your niche to take advantage of this strategy. Please check the course content in the course description because it will be updated continuously. Don't waste your time. Enroll in YouTube live streaming as a marketing strategy today. I will see you there.